Framer SEO settings not working? Yeah, that's a big problem, especially if your site isn't showing up on search engines. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, republish your site. I mean, SEO changes won't apply until you publish again. Next, go to your page settings and make sure your title and meta description are filled in correctly. Now, check if your page is set to index. Yeah, if it's marked as no index, search engines won't show it. Okay, make sure your page URL is clean and correct. Broken or messy URLs can affect SEO visibility. Next, submit your site to Google Search Console. I mean, this helps Google crawl and index your pages faster. Also, make sure your sitemap is working properly. This helps search engines understand your site structure. And yeah, keep in mind, SEO changes take time. It can take a few hours or even days before updates show in search results. Finally, clear your browser cache and check your site again. I mean, you might just be seeing old data. So yeah, that's how you fix Framer SEO settings not working. One of these should get your site showing properly in search results. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.